Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Before I get started, I do apologize for the audio quality. I'm on the road and I forgot my microphone, so I'm just having to make do. Real quick, what do I mean with the 4-hour time frame in case you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video on, Sunday afternoon, for example, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep this chart as relevant as possible. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Absolutely monster move since the last video I did. Last video I was talking about how the price was down around this area and how the price was struggling to get up above 7,500, and since then the volume has just come pouring in and the price has acted very, very nicely with that. So a total game changer since the last video I did, and it's not like the last video was a long time ago, but definitely, needless to say, updates need to be done. So much so that I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now, given how far the price moved away from them. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So we'll just talk about more so some of the near-term levels. But question number one to ask yourself. So let's just say that you're watching this video like 15 hours from now, or not 15. Let's say we were watching it Sunday afternoon. So Sunday afternoon, the very first question you need to ask yourself is, okay, where is the price at relative to 8,300, which is represented by that green line right there. If you're answering the question that the price is still up above 8,300, then the chart's basically as healthy as it can get, because even if it did pull back here, so let's say you're watching and it's sitting right down here at 8,300, I mean, think about what that would still be implying. That would be implying that you still have a set of lows there, and then you have the next set of lows not until way down there, which would still be a very healthy consolidation. Now, if the price is down below 8,300, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if you are answering the question that the price is up above 8,300, definitely a step in the right direction. If you're answering the question that the price is down below 8,300, the next question you want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,900? And 7,900 is basically the value there of that purple line, which is the 50-period moving average. And if you're answering the question that the price is down below 7,900, at that point, things are getting a little shaky, because that's all of a sudden starting to put the price potentially back into this range of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. But preferably speaking, yeah, if you're saying that the price is still up above 8,300, and that is a great sign of consolidation. But if not, then ideally you want to see the price stay up above 7,900. On the flip side of things, this is where common sense, gut instincts comes into play. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is up above 8,300 and it's sitting right there, let's say 8,500. That's good. That's definitely good. But if you're saying, well, Clay, actually it's Sunday afternoon and the price is all the way up there at 9,500. Well, that would just be telling you that that the weekend has gotten that much more bullish and that the bulls have taken that much more control. So from that side of, from that angle, gut instincts and common sense will take you far. But I'm very jealous of those of you that do get to watch this on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, because you're going to know a whole lot more of just what happened all weekend long. So yeah, let's see what happens. But no doubt about it, a very, very powerful Friday, and we'll see if it can build on throughout the weekend or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.